Could you please tell me your name and the company you work for?
Rebecca Palomarez, Briggs Industrial.
And what do you do at Briggs Industrial?
I'm accounts payable manager. One of the things I really love about Medius is that I know where every invoice is at. And as an AP manager, I have access to every invoice, even those that came in that were invalidated, which is really nice. So one of the things I have been able to do through Medius reporting is I can tell how long the invoices have been sitting with a current handler, so that's been nice. And we're getting ready to turn on escalations, so that's what I'm really looking forward to. Actually, one of the things that was really nice about Medius is when COVID hit, because we were on a paperless system. That was nice. So it was able for everybody to go home. We could still manage, and actually we had reports from our branches that even though we were virtual, they never skipped a beat. They said that our productivity actually went up. I mean, most of the software we have, it's like you kind of put up with it, but Medius is actually a very nice, user-friendly product that I would recommend to any of my colleagues.